Bring it back. Get that. Get that. What's up, world? Practice sessions, finish the Sunfire. That's how we do it. The garage blazing.
My life and I love to live the best thing that God can ever give. Thank you for my baby mamas. Thank you for my kids. Forgive me for my sins, Lord. I'm just trying to live.
This is my life and I love to live the best thing that God could ever give. Thanks for my mama, thanks for my dad. Love is still the best thing that I could ever have. But I still need money, I still need dough. I still gotta spit hot rhyme, top flow. Sunfire too hot, recap it too cold. I'm a teen type, so I gotta be bold. Got your mind twisted, time to unfold. Time for me to live, time for you to go. Let me help you pack your bags, call you a cab. Forget about your girl, she already been bad. You was tryna sag, acting like you bad. Tripping on colors, dog, throwing up them flags. Disrespect your mind juice because you ain't know your dad. I know it sounds sad, but take it from a kid. Life is still the best thing that God could ever give. You should give thanks for everything you got. My mom's and my pops, and this is why I'm hot. Brooklyn, I rep the block, and this is why I rock.
I sing, life is not a moving picture. You want to study lessons and read the scripture. You're not going to get no blessings if you do not listen. Getting up in prison, all God's children have the right to live upon the planet called Earth. And Babylon, they get vexed with black man from birth. Revolution, revelation, no time to rehearse. You have to love the life you live before things get worse. I sing,
Lord knows I'm trying to do right. I don't want to do wrong. I'm just trying to make a real hot song. I don't wanna have to feed the block, that cooked up rock. Trying to be up on the stage and rock. I don't wanna have to blow up the spot, air it out with the Glock. That's the problem right now with hip hop. Everybody thuggin', buggin', and mean muggin'. Can't get no lovin' when I'm in the club clubbin'. I'm talking to the shorty rise. Dude started trippin' rise. Gave security the eye. Put the cat out for the knife. Keep it moving, hold slide. Didn't want to take his life. Didn't want to take his wife. Melt like ice. Yep, I'm that nice, cause I'm living that life. You wanna live it too, but you keep living. Try to make your players in this game get used to the name. Be Nixon, Sunfire, Mr. Trump said.
life is not a moving picture. You want to study lessons and read the scripture. You're not going to get no blessings if you do not listen. Getting up in prison, all God's children have the right to live upon the planet called Earth. The Babylon, they get vexed with black man from birth. Revolution, revelation, no time to rehearse. You have to love the life you live before things get worse. I sing.
This is my life and I love to live the best thing that God can ever give. Thank you for my baby mamas. Thank you for my kids. Forgive me for my sins, Lord. I'm just trying to live.
This is my life and I love to live the best thing that God could ever give. Thanks for my mama, thanks for my dad. Love is still the best thing that I could ever have.